It has arrived, the Ausom F1 Max. Let's take it out of the box. Full review, first ride video will also follow. Any questions, leave them below. Let's get it out. Well, the spec of the F1 Max is nuts. It is a 1400 watt dual motor electric scooter with a 60 volt 20.8 amp hour battery, speeds of up to 72 kilometers. Yes, I will be testing that. A range of up to 100 kilometers and a 72% climbing ability. It also has dual suspension. I'll show you a bit later on in the video what this entails. Here's a quick tip. Just remove the screws from the display to put your handlebars on, to make your life easier. So it's just 2 screws. Remove this first, then put this on, then do the display. And don't worry, assembling this scooter is fairly straightforward. Just take your time, and of course don't over tighten anything. This is one of those electric scooters that I've been waiting for such a long time because it is quite powerful. So definitely keep an eye out for the first ride video. But in the meantime, let's have a closer look. Here's a quick look. Dual motor, very loud horn. You have the same display that's on the previous models as well. You have the same accelerator. Very nice stem. Take a look at this folding mechanism. This is what I call chunky and well made. Have a look at this. Wow. Lights. Very cool. Take a look at this dual suspension. 3-inch tires. Cool looking mudguards. Just take a look at this. Dual charging ports. Really nice deck. Rubber also material here. Again, take a look at this texture detail. That is what I call very nicely done. Huge back kick plate to rest your foot. Again, you also have dual shocks at the back. Mudguard. Take a look at this. Very nice design as well. Going to be giving this a full charge. Keep an eye out for the full review video. But first, I'm going to charge it, take it on a test run. So keep an eye out for that video next.